Hey, welcome back. I'm going to do a quick video in here on how to wire up electric cooling fans. In my case, I didn't have enough room to run a mechanical fan, and I sort of prefer the electric fans anyway. But here's how you can wire them up. It's very easy. You can do it safely. Now, when I first started doing things like this, these relays were sort of a mystery. They have a bunch of pins on them. Some of them come pre-wired with pigtails. They come in 4, they come in 5 pin, and multiple amperage ranges. But in this case, I'm just going to use a 4-pin relay. And the way I wire it is very simple. Pin 86 goes from 12 volt keyed power. So when your keys turn forward, that's when it gives power to pin 86. Then I run from my battery to a fuse to pin 30. Okay, important, please use a fuse. Okay, then the pin 85 runs directly to the temp switch. This is what a temp switch would look like. I've seen them go into the water neck, I've seen them in the cylinder head, I've seen them on the side of a block. Okay, and then finally pin 87 goes power to the fan. I even did a little diagram for you here. You can take a screenshot if you want to wire yours up. Thanks for watching.